Hey guys, it feels so good to be back. I'm so excited to share this tutorial with you guys. This has been the most requested video yet. So you're going to need some fast and final spackle. You can find some either at Lowe's, Home Depot, Walmart, or even the Dollar Tree. You can find this pack of styrofoam balls in a pack of 3 at the Dollar Tree as well. If not, that pack of 6 is at the Hobby Lobby. I've taken white paint and I've already mixed my spackle with white paint because I want them to be white, bright white. If you don't, it comes out like a gray color once dry. So make sure to use white paint. So then at the Hobby Lobby, you can also find these little gingerbread buttons, these little candy cane pieces, and these little mints as well. And then these are some Sprinkletz from the Frank Garcia studio. I really like these because they're pink. Should you go with that theme, keep these in mind. And then the Dollar Tree also has the little shavings. I don't know if you've seen the little shavings that are red, green, and gold. They also have these little red glitter berries. You can pick those up at the Dollar Tree as well. So these are the foam balls that I'm talking about that the Dollar Tree carries. They come in a pack of 2 or a pack of 3 or a pack of 4. It just depends on the size. So let's get started. So I also forgot to mention, you're going to need your little ornament hooks, and then you're going to also need this color of paint. It's called natural beige, and you can buy it in any brand as long as it's that natural beige tan color. We want it to look like a real cupcake, so that's what I went with. So in order to paint styrofoam, I don't know if you've ever worked with styrofoam balls. They're kind of iffy. You have to, I'm not a professional painter, so I don't know what the terms are, but I'm going to push my paint instead of brushing my paint into the styrofoam because I want to get every little nook and cranny. So just speeding up through the process here, as you can see, and I'm only going to do half of this. I don't need to do the whole thing. So all I'm doing again is pushing, brushing, pushing, brushing, pushing, brushing. Using my Sheer Bonder glue gun here. It's a high temp glue gun, and for styrofoam you need something that is actually going to hold styrofoam. So I would suggest a high temp glue gun, and I'm just going to put it at the center here and just focus that it looks right. So I like that it's at an angle just because it looks cute. So that's just how my preference is, but you can do it however you want. So let's set up the piping bag. What is beneficial is a big, large cup, a deep cup where you can push your tip all the way to the bottom. You're going to go ahead and prep your piping bag here. You're going to cut the tip, add your tip in, and then we're going to add our spackle. At this point, I'm realizing that I wanted to get this video up because of all the messages that I forgot to tell you about the ornament hooks, that you need the piping bags, and you need this tip. So everything will be linked below, guys. So now we're ready to pipe, but at first I want you to just make sure you don't have any air bubbles because it really stinks when you're trying to do the faux whipped cream look and then you have an air bubble that gets in the way. So okay guys, I thought I was on camera. Basically, all I did was go up and down. I am not a baker. I am not a professional cupcake maker. I just went up and down with the tip of this piping bag, and I hope I'm saying that right. I don't even know if I'm saying that right. But this is how it looks. And I'm really sorry for not getting that shot on camera. Like I said, you're literally going up and down on that styrofoam ball. So this is always like the fun part for me. I love to decorate it and add the glitter and all that good stuff. So you're just going to go ahead and add your glitter. You're going to add your little gingerbread buttons and your candy canes, whatever you want to add to this. You're going to go ahead and add. You can even add, some puffy paint, some chocolate swirls and stuff like that. It's really fun. And that's my favorite part of this whole project. I encourage you to look up cupcake ornaments. There's so many different DIYs for this tutorial. And I just absolutely love it. I really do enjoy making faux anything. It's so much fun because people sometimes do really think that they're real, and I actually got so many messages and comments on Instagram, people thinking that they actually had bought them from a store. So that's probably like the best compliment, guys. And like I said, I want to thank everybody for the constant motivation on Instagram. You guys motivate me all the time. Now you can see that the styrofoam right there is showing some white. You're just going to go back in with your paintbrush and hide that spot. And this is pretty much it, guys. So I take these little tweezer tools, and then this is where I start adding my detail. I'm not sure where or what I want to put on this little guy, but I'm going to show you just how I do so. There was no way that I was not going to show you exactly how I did that. So I went ahead and prepped again this morning, and this is how I pipe. I don't even know, again, I don't know if that's a term, or how I decorate my styrofoam ball. Again, I don't have any special techniques. I kind of just go with the flow, and this is how I do things. I don't know. I'm just doing it. I just kind of take my hand. I just make it, you know, do whatever it wants. So just have fun with it. It is fun. I love this part. I do got to tell you, if you do mess up, look how easy it is just to wipe it off with your finger and start again. It's not a big deal. All you have to do is just do it again. To me, there is no perfect way to do this. Like I said, I had fun doing it, and I just do however I want. And most of them come out really great, and then some I have to do, you know, a couple times over. But I'm sure that anybody that actually does this type of technique or does this stuff does it all the time. It just gets easier and easier. So it might look like a hot mess, but I love it. And so this is my favorite part. Now I do want to show you that these are two different sizes. I didn't have any more of the smaller ball to work with. So the one that I'm holding that isn't decorated is a 3-inch styrofoam ball. And the other one is the 2.5. I've been working with 2.5. So now we're going to add our glitter and add our little pieces to make it pretty. And this is the point where you can pretty much decorate how you want to decorate it. Now something that I should also stress is wait for your styrofoam ball to dry before you put it in your liner. You don't want to get paint all over it. So as you can see here, I'm going to double up on my cupcake liner because I got paint on it. And so here I've decided to use these little bead pearls from the Dollar Tree, and I'm putting every size that it has. It comes with 3 sizes, and it comes with big, medium, small, and then I just add my little guy in, and however you want to decorate these, you make them all your own. So I leave them out for about 24 hours to dry. If you do feel that your pieces aren't sticking on, you can always use your glue gun and you glue your pieces that way. But I like to do it while my spackle is wet. I think you'll have a lot of fun creating these, and then you can always incorporate your friends or family. Like I said, everybody has different preference and different style, so it would be fun to do this as a craft with friends or family. Now I did use an ornament ball just to see if I could make that work. I didn't like that, but I just wanted to show you maybe it's something that you might like. Now something else I want to show and share with you are these little gingerbread houses that I got from the Hobby Lobby. They're a foam material, and I also decided to do a faux whip look on these and add them to my tree just like so. I am going to finish it off with some glitter. If you feel that the glitter is not staying on or that it's falling off, you can always add Mod Podge to your spackle and add the glitter. You can add more to wherever you'd like. You could even add the candy canes or the little gingy buttons. It's really up to you on your preference, and I just left mine like so and put them on my tree. I got a lot of messages, a lot of comments where I got my pieces from, and like I said, most of my stuff I've let you know where it has come from, but either way I'm going to link everything below. I just wanted to show you that I had found this icing combo set at the Dollar Tree as well. And then I'm going to go ahead and leave you with a little bit of the decor I've purchased this season from the Dollar Tree and that I've made. Most of it is just sharing with you what has been in store at the Dollar Tree. If you follow my Instagram, you'll see more of these reels that I've been adding to my page. And I just like to show you and take you shopping with me and show you what's in store and what I like and ideas that I'm going for, themes that I love this time of season. And so I will go ahead and leave you with these. If you don't follow my Instagram, follow now at Lemon Avenue Life. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do so now. Thanks, guys. Bye.